Hey, I met some people that are sitting over there on the porch. I don't know how they got backstage passes, but they're over there. So we're going to do a song for them and all the ladies out there. It's an oldie but a goodie, one of my favorites. Goes like this. Won't you pardon me, pretty woman? I couldn't help but see, pretty woman. You look as lovely as could be. Are you lovely just like me? Pretty woman, walk around. Pretty woman, talk around. Pretty woman, give your smile to me. Pretty woman, yeah, yeah, yeah. Pretty woman, look away. Pretty woman, say you'll stay with me. 'Cause I need you. I'll treat you right. Come with me, baby. Be mine tonight. Pretty woman, don't walk on by. Pretty woman, don't make me cry. Pretty woman, don't walk away. Hey. Okay.